A noun is defined as a word referring to the names of person, place, thing, state, or quality. Let's take some examples. John is a talented musician. Paris is a dream destination for many travelers. The clock is ticking, marking the passage of time. Freedom is a fundamental human right. He played with great brilliance. Let's discuss some types of noun. A proper noun is a specific name for a particular person, place, or a thing. Proper nouns are always capitalized in English, no matter where they fall in a sentence. For example, Canada, China, David, Elizabeth, etc. Common noun represents general people, places, or things. For example, men, women, lawyer, engineer, etc. A collective name or noun is used for a group of people, things, or a group of animals. For example, team, committee, squad, family, etc. Material noun are names of materials, or substances out of which things are made and can be perceived by our senses are material nouns. For example, gold, aluminium, iron, plastic, cement, etc. A concrete noun is something that you can touch, such as a person. An animal or materials that are tangible in nature are known as concrete nouns. For example, chair, television, laptop, mobile phones, etc. An abstract noun is a noun that refers to something non-physical, something conceptual that you can't perceive directly with your senses. For example, sadness, government, adulthood, friendship, etc. Thank you for watching.